In Python, there are several arithmetic operators that can be used to perform mathematical operations on numbers. And so these are the operators, the arithmetic operators we have in Python. The addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, the division, the modulus, and the exponent. So let us go into PyCharm and see how these things work in code. Let us create our Python file. And then in here, let's declare two variables. So var1, let's set it equal to 10 for now. And then var2 to be equal to 6 for now. And then let's say results, or let's just say operation. And this operation, the first operation that we want to look at is the addition operation. So var1, and we can just call the plus on it and then just add var2 to it. And then we can print operation to the terminal and see what the value will be. So we right click and then we run. And we get 16 like we were expecting. And even if you want to also make it dynamic, you can even make it in such a way that you take the user input like we saw in the previous video and then convert it to an integer and then work with it. And so this is how the addition operator works. It's just like the normal addition we do. So if it's 6.5 and then we run it to get a 16.5. And the next one was the subtraction. So we can just change this symbol to the subtraction and then make it whole number so that we can see the results without stressing ourselves so much. So this one also gives us 4 and it's obvious. And if this one was larger, we will get negative as we are expecting. So that is how the subtraction also works. And then there is also the division, which is done with a / like this. We can run it and see, and this is what we get. The output of the division is always a float. So if we put a number like 2 here, we'll be expecting to get 5 on the dot, but it gives us 5.0. The output of the division operation is always a float. So please take note of that. And then the next one that we're looking at is the modulus, which returns the remainder of a division. So if you have 10 modulus 2, this one will be 0 because 10 divides 2 goes into 10 5 times perfectly without any remainder. But if we change this one to 3, then we should expect 1 in our terminal because that will be the remainder after the division. And if we change this one to 4, that should give us 2. Just like we compute modulus in mathematics. So the next one that was on our list is the exponent. So 10 exponent 2. If we want to create an exponent, before the exponent there was the multiplication, which uses a single asterisk, this asterisk, to do the multiplication. So 10 multiplied by 2, this one will give us 20 like we are expecting. If we change this one to 5, we'll get 50. And that is it. So for the exponent, we just make it a double asterisk and then let's change this one to 2 so that we know that we will get 100. And yes, we got 100. So if we change this one to 2, we get 4. So those are the arithmetic operators in Python. So depending on what you want to do in a particular program, you can use them to do it. And as we go along and build more projects, you get to know the practical usage of these things other than just simple operations like this. So thank you for your time. That'll be the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next video.